friend a crime here, make us here. Never a crime, never contract. Contract and the HR the getting on your day. It's a parliamentary candidate, peace the over. A very contract and we are Koreans and so we are Piscam and no other day.
Evusia Napoleon near Ranapo and your quotidian no and there was some on Shalamunchia contract and the council now Omunya Quine ma one mental force and what in some way saying now echo 2 jar. Now he pocketed in your Chomusemiano and yeah, just say your Rama and Kwana say so what can be and the action and no penny for near Sophony Manfo. Yeah, Casayano NDC for so NPP for chess one Susu and Yachum papa. Well, who dear wash shadow was I see so. One someone Chemoya one Sompa CF4, a bon Comoya watch him dear Trayano, and it said as I said Munifie, NDC 4 change that trying, Yabaka Chia Sam dia Befie, voter register ya de Baba Tuaba, and what a memo has said no brebia any crano. One so a trust and near maybe a see one time womb. I say, as she most no call, and I want to pass a question no, and ye is Nana Sabat to Bejano, and I wash I say a beyond Wakasabe and Shishamunemom. Washasa kwanta kro bedwako bi adanse adwumako bi beba no aba ba ye ehwehwemu fe kofe ko ehun sampa ene voter register ya fi we si abato ne mo no ye nyina ye kotintim ye din di agumo no ene manyina akoye ne dana akwamansa na wonom akoma ato wonom yem eno nam so ama wa ye demonstration kra na no brande ya ama emunsam ye de adan na eno mo ena eye general secretary e de man PP amanyoko ne Justin Frempong Kodua wono so ene wa friends and phone share mu bra ye kodru wono and someone wa kan ni bi ena mabone tofa wasade we eto aso
enti ekoba said 9 years after 2015 or 2024 ade ye nyina ate ase na mu NDC kwa na mu di anim a ye resedi ketia una na odi anim de na asesa wa oji tu no say electoral commission enye exhibition afi de also there bi ye my independent forensic committee emum ene meje electoral commission adwuma enye se bi ekobasa na ekwakoye na atwum na ekwakoye se de bia wo de ena wo kan e echina na obeka bi eno so mboa sa adwuma ye no through a o ma penny that Ira Mahama in 2015 ebra na MPP ye ka say electoral commission voter register no enye no o penny ba bonte eno so hu video eyi kire mo a wo ka che Ghana for ne MPP for say electoral commission ordin ho sabi ena amayoko bi na re electoral commission adwuma awonye enti asema MPP ye nyina ye busa Ira Mahama ne NDC for say electoral commission de no ho na ese wotsanse ye na adwuma a wo ka ne 2015 no what has changed there na asesa afi de wo ka se the electoral commission adwuma awonye no onye ni ye tie ma obi meje electoral commission adwuma enye
Evusia trefo penye de men PP amayoko no ye Justin Kodua Frempong ena enen centrefo nhia mu ya wo freye no woda asansem we se nyina di ede etreye afa ye remu biem ewom na hyebedwem donkoma ya wonmo ho no wonom so etre se wiase we no obi ani ho a ewo esoguda no mo bekasa wonpe na eniema so ekoye na eche ye se adedi aba beto bra bedi ade na de wo di ade sese a wo begemu di ama wo no eka eni abofro nseme na wo ba begade ama wo a ewo so utimi kasa no toto ne mansa na wadedie no etimi edu so nyasa wanhwe ya obeba no manfo ne de so bo no ebo wa bra wonnim sa eniema no ho maachen na wo mo nsem a wo mo eka nyina no eni se wo hwe ahwode ne aso ye ho a eni eka be se 2 billion Ghana cedis ena chese wonom asum de agu ho ya wo chese omunim se asa niema nheda nkoma wonom e wa afia bato no nti no wo mu jaka ne de ato ho de amaye John Dramani Mahama ene NDC amanyoko no eno nti no be ye kasei wonom e chese nke be ye de ama ban no se obetimi ahwa toto niema na saka no wayi e de afri wo na bia mu krampo no wo chese ka be se 1.8 billion Ghana cedis ene no so eja to wa e wo sesika sam so ye ho anase sofo no wotimi etua edema wonom se be ya bibia betimi akoye na sika ya wo chese eye 1.8 billion Ghana cedis no eno eye abanyumakuo ma hodo ene mensini kropon ni krobatan MDS no wɔkyerɛ sɛ free bear 2023 mu wɔ August tro ebesi bre ya yɛ kasa no ɛnya ade a wɔnom kana so yɛ no etimi atua ɛde ama wɔnom nea wɔkasa de madom kuma no ɛba sɛ yɛhwɛ ahoɔden yɛ ensɛm a ɛyɛ yɛwura John Gyinapowo no ɛna gyina mu a wɔda asansɛm mu yɛ die.
Report has indicated that ECG is not abiding by the cash waterfall mechanism. And it's the cash waterfall mechanism that allows companies and entities throughout the energy sector value chain to get some revenues or payment. That has been jettisoned. As if that is not enough, the Ministry of Finance since August 2023 has not paid up even 1 cedi for power consumed by ministries, departments, and agencies. And from our rough estimates, that debt alone balloons to 1.8 billion. Clearly, they are passing the buck, just trying to manage the system and hand over a dilapidated, aging equipment, collapsed energy sector to President Mahama when he assumes office.
Yɛwura John Gyinapowo no ene panyin a wɔkasa edema dom kuma no ɛwɔ committee ya wɔnom so ɛhwɛ ahoɔden ho nsɛm ho ɛka ɛna yɛtie no afe yɛmonwura high court ya no ɛwɔ enkrampopuni mantem wɔnom so ɛde tabono ato democracy hub wɔnom demonstration ya no pɛsɛ wɔyɛ ne so na ensɛm ne nyina da ɛto dwa wɔ abra Ghana prosifo ɛde asɛm no kɔdan court sɛ democracy hub yi wɔnom pɛsɛ wɔn kɔkɔyɛ demonstration na amamra no ɛma wɔnom ho kwana so bia yɛ pɛsɛ ɔkɔyɛ no ɛmfa asomdue ɛma ɔman Ghana fonte no ɛno nti wɔde asɛm na bɛdan high court sɛ mpanyinfoɔ hwɛ na wɔnka bi ɛmfa ma wɔnom ɛno ɛna court no so etie yɛ no wɔkyerɛ sɛ de prosifo no ɛka ne to asomo esan sɛ Revolution Square bia yɛ bi yɛ no wɔ Jubilee House anim hɔ pɛɛ ɛna wɔkyerɛ sɛ nkanyame yɛ adom a wɔkyerɛkyi ya no wɔkɔ akɔyɛ saa demonstration no ɛna prosifo ɛkyerɛ sɛ da bi wɔnhwɛ ya ni asomdue no etimi ɛde akwa bi akɔ kana na asetimachie bi akɔ kana nti no court no enka bi ɛfama wɔn ma court no so ɛgyina sɛ ɛgyina yɛ no so ɛsi sɛ ɛnya ade ɔbɛma kwan ama saa demonstration no etimi akɔso wɔ hɔ na nsɛm no nyina panyin pa ya wɔ no ɛne amansan edi nkita ho ɛde ma ɛyɛ procedure dwumako no ACP Grace Ansa Akrofi wakasa ɛkyerɛ sɛ enyo obia sɛ wɔpɛsɛ wɔsi obia ho kwan sɛ mo ɔnyɛ demonstration na mmom botaya ya ɛtɛkyerɛ no ɛna wɔde men
demonstration on the 21st to 23rd September at the Revolution Square. I wish to note that throughout our engagement with the Democracy Hub, police constantly assured them of our readiness to provide security for the demonstration at an agreed location. We wish to emphasize that the Ghana Police Service has not stopped Democracy Hub from embarking on a demonstration from 21st to 23rd September as is going round. The only issue is that the police and the Democracy Hub disagree on the choice of location, that is the Revolution Square, for the planned protest. The service has duly communicated in a letter to the Democracy Hub that we are prepared to sit with them once again and agree on a location. And also that the Ghana Police Service has put in place sufficient security measures to ensure that they get the opportunity to exercise their democratic right of protest. This is what we want to bring to the attention of the press and the general public, that the police service has not stopped the Democracy Hub. We are still in engagement with them, which we have so done through a letter to them, and we are happy to meet them anytime as soon as a new location which will not endanger public defense, public order,
Director of Police Public Affairs, ACP Grace Ansa Akrofi, NIT no. Afeyen Ramo Awodom Kumano, Woman so Cometia, Eba, Enumani Adensia won Samsua, one so and I share a boa and Yama no de Madom Kumano. Now one can before ye on Munya for Vincent upon Asamoah. One also a sudden Samu to your son and Samuel and Sasse, I would do ya yes, send the Abechum Crampo, ya no echa wono, and ni yensu and sua, I would do and cobra would see, and the prane de Kekan when I a team pampa, Nina da, Ada Roma, Galam Senti, Yamana Quaco Viesano, Yedija one near the Aswa, for ya no, and na a shay and su and sua would do sono, I asked and Jume Diana say a James Monteno, one etch has and Kebeya Yenshe, na yan one in Consa and Frina di so. Nano and nam so Amankisa would be able for tene at the ma a year Ramamund Baumian campaign no, Yera Dennis Miracles Abwaje, one also etch in your way and the best of the problem no.
Who say Lance Minister should go, but tell us to go and vote for former President Mahama and come with his ministers. This is a group of people who were in power and could not manage this situation. You recall when Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo came to office and was being sworn in his statement, he had Galamsey as a major issue, which he promised to deal with. You recall, what it means is that anybody that creates an impression as if Galamsey was a creation of Nana Akufo-Addo in the last 8 years is just trying to do politics. I'm bringing all of this in to simply say that this is a social canker. You don't fight social canker scapegoating. If you scapegoat in the fight against social canker, you don't get results. Because what happens is that you allow the actual perpetrators to hide. Because you're not even pointing at them. You're not talking about them. You're not addressing them. You rather identify one or two people and you keep hammering as if today Abu Jinapo is removed from the lands ministry, there will be no Galamsey. This is a canker where the former environment minister, Honorable Ayariga, under the NDC, actually said on record, and it's reported on your portal, that he thinks we should give up on the fight against Galamsey. In fact, he recommended that we should legalize illegal mining. I mean, you see the contradiction. Legalize illegal mining. Where he said that it has become so difficult fighting this canker under the Atena because chiefs are involved, according to him, chiefs are involved, religious leaders are involved, opinion leaders, assembly members, and everybody, is involved. And so if you just get up and say, oh, there's Galamsey, fire the lands minister. Before the lands minister, was there Galamsey? Was there Galamsey before this lands minister? And so if you fire the lands minister tomorrow, does it end Galamsey? Is that before I say that let's relieve you of your rule, you might have been culpable of something.
Na chese ye ni free na adwa so krampo ni di breso Galamsey no na chese nye no awie ye no Galamsey no so afo abudi na po ya de ono obeto ye enti se nema eje nsem a ye nhwe kwan pa ebefa so na yetimi asia no nye se ye woni nkonsa no na ede anop masi brebeba we eye communication director ede ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne campaign no ye Dennis Miracles Aboaje Sompa TV so ne Sompa 93.1 FM otie ewa Santema Temene ne kwado Sompa 98.9 and also ewa Bruno Mantamo ne kropo sunyane mu and a Sompa 90.7 so ye drumo ewa Bruno Poye Mantamo awutie edefa nkranza yetwa ensem so Africa Center for Energy Policy wanom so edin sembi babonten ya omokyere se ECG adwumako no ayese niema bi wo wonom entoto ne ye ene exchange rate ahodo ya kyese wonom de dane eyetumi nani no anase nyina wodene ye no ene no eyade a wonom eye ne basente no amwa ama wonom dwumedie no niema anhye dan koye amfa ama wonom eno enam so amaka ena aba besie wonom nte no epanyi pa ya wono wodi wani chiremo ewo eye Africa Center for Energy Policy one policy petroleum ne convention energy no wono ena etua no yewura kojo yache wono so eden nsema todwa ni nchechemu no enyina no ene se niema ya ankoye ne nte no ama ECG dwumedie no wonsi kasem no atoto ape ama enei sika ya ahwe wonom no enya ano ebine yenko yewura kojo ne nsem no yentie bi
growing fiscal burden imposed on the economy by ECG's continuous poor performance has become a ticking time bomb that can undermine the progress made after the domestic and international debt restructuring to keep Ghana solvent. With the level of debt accumulation and the intervention required of the state, it is just a matter of time before Ghana is plunged into another debt distress. With IPP debt mounting and gas suppliers and transporters demanding payments, the pressure on the government to sacrifice social investments is high. Already, some IPPs have begun targeting payment guarantees to pay some of their outstanding debts. Car Power, for example, has drawn down about $112 million to settle the debt owed to them. On the gas side, drawdowns on Standard Chartered Bank letters of credit by the OCTP partners have an outstanding balance of about $400 million.
Ebusia ye kwaye nim ne aboere mu ewo emfifi mantemu ena no juada ena abai drip dwumedie ya wode aba ne nyina no eye mensini ahodo ne kropo ahodo ya kwan ahodo dedemo no abai ne de mfidi aba se obehwe se be ya bi mututu anase ahotechima watimi de asiesie ne no ena gomoa west mensini mu ewo emfifi mantemu na no juada ena wonsaka wonde ana wo pa hontoma na eno ena edom ekobo piemu ewo ho no mentime ho ase esore ye ewo NDC and NPP achitafo ni bi entem enam so ama empotem wo panyipa ya wono ene yetitinani edema NDC amanyoko na Alhaji Mohammed Kasim okodi aprosifo akache ye kase ya na NDC fo chese omu nimboni a waye ye no enam so nti aprosifo na kwa akohwem nteno wonom so akobo dompem se ne wo munyi panyi no enfri eye dabon prochi wo mranye saade a ene de ebesi no ebesi ye nua bema Erica na wono ene tonkra edi free fifi mantem de mayen wone NDC Central Regional Deputy Youth Organizer Yera Abeku Asian Abonkomo ede afansem wese ho enkra say ene otomaye.
The whole of yesterday Commander Amba he did not appear. Make us say neither the minti no wo with the teni oya consulting chairman Alhaji Kasim e was sell ene de nyumru e ma wa de ma mazachi. Early in the morning we went to the for the regional crime officer in the office to find out from him what is actually happening. What he told us, they say information is coming from the top there. It is beyond him. Order from above unless he takes orders from the top there, that's the IGP, before he can go ahead with the release of the chairman. As we speak now, the chairman has not been charged with any offense until we don't even know why a chairman of the constituency is still being here that has been detained. It is a police no. They can do us good, or the IGP, or the commander in charge, no, can do us good by telling us there. Hey, be a chairman now. Chairman make us say, why arrest no? Chairman.
Abeku Asien fifi mantem wono eden ye mebunu no don frefo no abedi echire edmendi si amanyoko no na yetie no na eno achi no masha bedwane ya wojiremu de ma de hye ya won mo Cape Coast no for batem besia so won mo nyafo kwame na mentanya ko wono so so ede ensemu nchiremu kakra ede mayen
oye Ghana fo yenaze nti ye ntra won ye mo bia mra ma ye bibia otedam ndc amanyoko ye revolutionary nti ya adwen de yenso bibi ye fiban yenso yetumoko no so wonjim no was the dama a offended intimidation as an about we are not going to take it and I'm telling them with all authority they say wonjim no we bibia onfata yenso as yes baban mo nka de ya adwen ye adwuma ya adwen so ye adwuma na mom ye kosekose no ye den o ye ti na enyim neto anamon bi a onya anamon pa na obama yenkofo won akaza onyaza yebe ni mo akoyi nti e botuta ase wona woso wo akra na wo fa edamansem ye kan wansem wadwe no wo fa asem papa wo fonten wo san enyumri se yin release yin pa na onyaza na yereko oye guma west you be make sure the kon biado nti regional commander ye toto sen asem wo zerban wo make sure that asem wo zerban oya asema yes be release yenkofo no
Cape Coast North about Sampesia so much bedwane on monyafo kwame na mentane nsem no echi no na echitafo de ma NDC amanyoko no so echese kwasimenta mesumi wobika
onye hwe ende chairman se when you na wan ya de beko enya police free na beda office wo yankwa nda yankwa china enya aberpa eni sfie nya abre omada
what da one listen me yan nu kofi another opere yen ya say da ha ya bada ha wa bra police free ya wo ha ya mal for a war ya be for the peace in so we me na wan nu me da wo me nya wedo ya nu mam na ya yan tase na ye police fi anda
chairman na ono na mli baby a wan ye hye no mum wotu mu a kire fit police station na ha nti se won yi na ama ye na ye nyina ma we be wo ha nan ye be ye so wo pa na peace ba ona wo mama peace mbra so wo mama peace mbra ye sigi onya hyi wanya
Ebusia yentu ansam no so na yenkɔ yanimu yɛde nkin abɔmamane dada sɛ abato obedwa no wɔnom ne NDC ntem no asenhyɛ da ngo ne nyina no ɛwɔ NDC foɔ wɔnom so ɛnkyɛ ka bi ya mpɛso mo ne yisi ne cheka so ɛne ensam ahodoɔ ya wɔntini mu nya wɔn fan ɛwɔ voter register no emu na no ɛna mpanyefo ahodoɔ na de nsusu ya ba ɛne ya monhwɛ na monya de NDC amanyɔkuo no pɛ no ɛmfama wɔnom sɛ hwehwɛ mu na wɔnom pa monkɔpɛ abedwakuo bi anase adwumakuo bi a wɔno so yɛ content korɛ no ɔmɛyɛ sɛ bɛyɛ asomdwie yɛnso yɛbɛtimi atɔ akɔso ekura mu na saa nsɛm ho ɛna ɛnam so Kane presiding bishop de Methodist asafo no Most Reverend Dr. Paul Boafo wɔno so de na no atomu bi ɛkyɛ sɛ wiase asɛm bi ne hɔ yɛ de sekan ɛna etwa ano ne ano ya ne de aboso ne de nsiesie aba na no ɛna wɔsrɛ sɛ yɛnhwɛ na yɛnyina yɛnkamom isi ɛna afɛ yɛ NDC amanyɔko ne wɔnom a wɔka bia ewom ɛwɔ ɔman yabato ho nsɛm ne ho na wɔnom nyina ɛntena se na ɛnsam no de ɛsɛfata no wɔmfa ɛnto baabi pa sɛ bɛyɛ a yɛnyina abato wesemu no yebetimi ato akoso na temachie bia entimi ma yasomdwe bua ya yenuma no no
nim se democracy a yenyina yede ho akwakohyem no eye process afi bia enyini ekonanim na ekọ na chese niema ni bi ho no ma na fe yenkai bio na yesese yehwe na yesiesie no ni yesiesie yisi ewa ne nhyehyɛ a ono so nam so boa masomdwe no eba ene se ya mano mande on trading won wa adi mfie do nwotwe du ho no a onfa krata no matudwa nyina ye nkɔhwem yehu se de ɔtwe ni din owom de ɔkɔtwe ni din a onso so ɔto aba yenyi ni din film de wa film yenyi ni din film na yenkini register no ma enya necessary credible eno eye na adwuma ba ko a wɔyɛ na eno na odi ho dwuma a ɛkɔfa oyele kakra aba na ne nyina ne sɛ de baba tu dwasa de obia wɔwɔ mo no ɔde ba yisi ene siesie ma obia nso hu sɛ okay ya siesie yanya abato krata ɛyɛ credible we die na ɔmo tu dwa no ɛna NDC kan so ɔmo wɔ discrepancies ɛwɔ yini sɛ NDC fo nko a na bia ɔmo kan so ɔmo discrepancies but ɔmo die no ɛna ayɛ heightened na sɛ bia dɔɔso a mpɛ sɛ ɔmo ne yisi ehia na no na akɔfa nsɛm ba yɛ ka sɛ hwɛ bibi saa wɔ hɔ de a ɛna na ɛsɛ yɛba bɛtena se na yɛka ho asɛm.
Most Reverend Dr. Paul Boafo ne nsɛm wɔto edin anase wɔde tuja wa bra na anɔpɛ man ne yɛdo boakye your mind mo na wɔtena se na wɔma ewiase nyina akye ne mu na no di nsɛm no wɔtoa so ɛde fa ɛyɛ galamsey ho nsɛm wɔ no so no apagya yɛtwe ne srɛ ne abasa ne ho nsɛm ɔka fa ho no sei ɛna na esitie
ne yɛ chance sɛ yɛbɔ saa dawuro no sɛ galamsey anhwɛ na yɛntia no a ebedi yɛnya na ne sanso no na efe ebe yensuo ye agudie ye kwaye nsase sese efe affect nipa ye awom ni ye ayaresa ni ayabo ni nyina it affecting it enti se ye call for bana ebisa na o se we no so ebinom ya omo ye niye that's why Ebia, me no say it should not be a total ban as such because ubi so or no oye no ye ni no one license or where ya or the year jumano ya chirano amane hu kwan a say ofaso who say baby a chance na ye can one say we ma total ban and that one did not 80 Omo sha say ye training won a was adwuma no no takwa university ho yuma it is a saafo no ho no no beye no ma ye ni di a ene e say ye makwan ne se won mo ye just a galamsey there it is illegal
Ebusiania wakasa ye kane wono ene bishop ede ema ye Methodist asafo most reverend Dr. Paul Boafo ene ni din ye kwa homa no so na ye ne engineer Dr. Shadra Kojo Amponsa wono ene national president ede ma ye research staff association council for scientific and industrial research ni mu waka ye ho wa homa no so ye nkwa na nsem bia wonom de tudwa no ni nyina da ene se wo ye nsusu ye bi ede amamra bedwafo se kebeya se beya yam potamo bambo begira ne naso ama ene yensa se ene ensu wansu ahodo a ebinom fa kwa bone so se no ye betimi asi ano ntin kebeya li ya wode eba ye bra bi atwam no aban no ensa enfam bra biem ebusia mo fa ncheme ye ra woti anka anwumre ya mo adwo
majo so biniaba
acho wona mo te sei
adomru ahwe pa na mo so
erade ekura ye wa ase nom na amode nsusu ye bi ni adesra bi mamra hye bedwafo ne senke be ya wonom hye na entimi toto na akwan mu ye yesi adwumo oda ye te de fini wura no yenya wode obeto wanum tu odi asempote e na mo pesa aban ne mra hye bedwafo na ye de mamo
yo uni aba me da was bio na chetie ko ni na hwefo nyina so e wo Sompa TV na enanyumei say Council for Scientific and Natural Research and Ghana Atomic Energy Commission a research scientist this part by your now this appeal yaba make us a press release now that's something I say you should me guarantee no pepenso e ne yone ne ohawa ede pa mpatam bebre ni o my Ghana ye hawa ye nya wo ho a ye hunu se yankasa ebe adwen kakra ne sentia esa ne se ohwe ene sa ela ye ka ho asem yi ela yi ema eye wona wo pese o to gold no akwanya fe enka forest reserve eda ho ye nyina yenim se enka chete no eja no mudi da ye no photo bi wo kwa ye nkom esa ne se yenim se ebo ye ho ban eniye ya yehui nyame nyansem no wa bose emo ye ho ban na emo ye eba ye mfama ye ho nia na so ne obeti no na obi ewo forest mu na o tu galamse na ye dri enuegu ye sense afi ye sensu na ye stress sa emre ya hye emra efe ye hwedi pa esa ne se emanko kwakonya ebi no mo bi hu ne se chana fo ye begu forest mu no mo tu galamse no mo yeso esane samre ya ewo na ya hwehwe mo hu se etimi ade yenso to mbres ni e samre kakra mejidi se ebema sa ye ekoso balance na di obi agimi kofo ebi abukoye ni oye no na omode ha yen ene yensu aye nom nka enche ye nim tete ya tano ankobra opin pra brem ene ne keka ho no ni nyina asai o hwe ye hwehwe mu ayede ba o hwe o kan pepa ya ye bia ba ya ye nso ba ye 60% o ha mu chemu abiosia e kire se na senso ina ya fe no fresh water so nka kane ye nya nam fi mu kane microphone na bia ni nyina se esa ne sa akonya aba ma bebre na akọ fe gold no wo pusa wo ye no chi won fa kwampa so na essay ye about biodiversity yes aban enimani mo yan hwese ordinance beto balance iso na ya trap na ya hwekwan be paso abode mu nya sape research ene yen mo ebetimi dia boa na yetimi asofa ne mo ya no ya trase ne ya kan asem na yetimi hu ne sibre na etimi aboa oman no na enye sa de ne ma akita no bentwen benkodu eye 90% ansa na ya ka se ye hu bibi ebia na amfa atempapa amwe amano nti ya desrebe ya de to government anymore no
engineer na se wo hwe mai mu anwuma ho sem eden pa wonyi ni sese aban no so de tabuno to galamse no so na yampe kwampa bi se mabunu mo fa we se so nya galamse no ne ya ka se ye brakra sanse ye nso be se ne ade no so a enwuma ho nsem no so no wo se ebe kɔ nani mu ama mabunu no de ho be hye ne ma bi anyam ama asa be so yetime mfo so
no kwasem eniaba se bia ka no sanete na yetie ne se ohwe sika nipa nya free galamse ni na youth ni economy ba debi ameka se yesa kola oni obotoka no ohun ka ohun kan say basket ya no obita ne bo ahun ohwe jam patam ni mantem ye galamse ye bisa se impuntujuma ho na te saying oma kwan te saying omun so te saying kwa ese omu konye sika na enfo so bia maso me kan am say oni mi agrin ko sa galam say site be da ye kan waso say the economic development ayo mo so ma ko manya sika na so enfo so bia no mo omu kwanye omu so nye transfer enye sika ni keke ena enye bibi enye gold na yetu keke na bibi na mom say ye find the crime bi so e na sa sika o benya film no ye betimi de ache bibi papa bu na boa mo ye kan yes ya wala ni improvement activities ona wo person wo ye beekeeping omo no person mo ye mushroom omo person mo ye kind of saying soap making eniema bebre wo ha letimi ye de boa o person ye fish farming na ye betimi aboa sanyema no momo no ene de nkuto beba esa ne se okopa safia ebia ye betimi de adia no baye na se bro se banche se bode na ye nyina ye nya biadi na sa so no okopa na udiri ni nyina gu a ochina aduane be na be na ne ya no se asase ebia mutimi dirigu ene no baye ni we mutimi stand no doctor almost stand no ko he go de munya primu a enya he bia e chefe yanko
okay
kranka ye eno na ye kan wa so say obika oboni ka say cost benefit analysis o ye cost benefit analysis na enko be bia e chefe ya boka eno na ye kan wa so say government o ma ye intraso na on fata bon to so say ya say one year o so ke ye na ye twai ya kwan be ko so ye be abafi oboni be ka say research interventions be mu na yetimi asho no na ye fe na o ko mo won fe be ko mo ntiasie mu na kwan papa so na ye na ye wie kra na ye galamse ni wi asase na ye no kwa ye kwan be fa so a ye de be fi kwan e be ye ni kwan a restore asase no metima si de dada mu bio na anfo how bi amre ye mpatem ma ye won eno ne ye kan wo
engineer my fonsia na wase bresem ne ye hia we be sa ba won chen
yo miniaba medasofa
Ebusia Council for Scientific and Industrial Research Research Staff Association ya wono me womo no one national president Dr. Shadrack Kwadwo Amponsa ene no ebo enkomo ebusia yanyi ya ho me ne kan cho se mizo free drink no ko pebi enom ya kase anu abemu ano no de ya chese ye de aba adwama so no wonya bia betimi aboa wo dwumede bia wo de bia sa wo to nsa de afred dom ene achitafo de no na wo hia no watimi de aserve mama enije so awie wo mo peye bo modern afred manager Daniel na afenso ye manager Silas na wontumi emwa e wo baabi a wo bia wo abra wo de mizo free drink ene 5G mezani bi ebra wo 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 sciatica experts 21st clinic usisi echientini yes ahono efa oto ase etwetwon na atiesi usremu na etutu wonentini ho ebi wo kran pampa bo hye wo na awro wode na ka wato demo ana sciatica ya de bone misro eya na asemazipu acheme ena me kompem kran pa wo ma na chese mintimi kran keka me ho wan hwe ya ebema wo ayebubuafo 21st clinic 15 branches ya biebie wo mama fa na nyina no ehwo na wasa wode wani kire na okope apomuden mapa yade bi efi wutiri so kope mo bora no ye wo ho eduro ewo ho laboratory test ahodo koso massage machine treatment kama enso ewo ho bomode afra 0540 311 0540311311 ye kasa ya wonum de to ehhehye so ewo eye Johannesburg South Africa memo no etu wo Swaziland na Zimbabwe ene Johannesburg ho anu afa kwanya so ama wonum so atimi abetu siatika ne nyalewa hodo na sede ama Fred Doctor for ne anese for ne book appointment 0244 915 116 0244 915 116 na ye ka show say koko I am team any sesiade and I how dia wedro eye 3A co capsules ya 3 herbal center for dia bedwaman so furniture mokolena ke badane heba misty heba ne apidank baby biale etu no eto no no so no ebuso ewo ho emane 0546 107 107 ebusia pesa utukwan ya express group ko na wontimi mu osebe ya konto ho nsem no bibia betoto na akwa mu ye obekwa kodro asomdue mu wo banso awade waba asomdue mu enkrobata ne doso jiabe ne frɛ wono 0249 000448 and 0508 111343 ewusia nyina ase nom na yento nkramra taw ye bansam no dodo na na akechwe futuo bi akọ ede amagana for ye se hwe na yetimi tu nwanamon se be ye betimi abo magana echichire ye
clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eyayare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baabi a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 1514 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agi atum
sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kweku, afei na mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, any member connection man for den kofosi kedwen ni wenye otedi musano.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwentu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amupese motu kwan koye adwumanso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Macho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa busia yadamu wase ama mo ene train Sompa TV, Sompa 93.1 FM, Sompa 98.9, and a Sompa 90.7. You may know Sabrem Kasiano, ye twaso na yakwa ye nim. Na ebusia ye kase ya dia. Senior Staff Association of University of Ghana and a Federation of Senior Staff Association. One so dia what the strike yasha so Nina any sa what tressa buying one shia ewo and some who do ya eha one ewo what de trend on Jumedia who do mo abrabom now so no abino enya na dream so befi one teno what the strike yasha so na ye share ni mo kwan senka anu betwa na se no nina buying behwe na nka wa ye bibidi aboa one wase on Jumedia CBM. Now, so Nina, Yaka say, teachers and education workers in your tewfo, and so Edwon, who Ajimu be say we are so when it's any penny, Ed than the Moafa, who shall be one shot than we are. No about bet you are winning in a condition of service, and I want to chest so many a binary shame where Papa Bia, intimate and free and maintenance. What a strike, no ashisha so. Now you're King James, one no any trap for penny, Edemate Ukono, one some packers here for a bon como, ama in church, Mubia was a man saying in a tibiano, what done a Didia choice.
So I say your cost size, we can one a few timer, yes, technically a cost size for my son. But something you say, yeah, service. You say about classic. You are signing for this or service. Minister of Finance, I'm not approved a letter. The approval letter, the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, GTEC, all universities, technical universities, any colleges of education. And now, you are more approved of we are in the how we say, we are professors, you are one university now. The senior staff, engineer staff, now come. You are more, need to know. Let's hear my. The universities, no government payroll, no women, you were University of Ghana, you were University of Cape Coast, you were University of Science and Technology, University need to be, technical universities need to be, controller and accountant general,
Penya wakasa ye trefo penyi matewu ekono yera King James eni ni den afe ye kwa eti breakers ya wono ena Ghana Trade Fair wotua no Dr. Agnes K Edu wono so de adesrede de amagana fo nyina ne se won se chinya wo de wa na utafre aduane bi ebeto ne nananom buchia so Ghana ne ma ye wono ye nhwe emfani dwuma se be ye betimi aboa ama wo me ye nya nan agina so e wo mpunto kwan so
ni nye ho that means wala nkasa wo support wa wonyema wo yaba hai ya di made in Ghana be chere se wote ha na se wo se abrochira de nko na wo be kra ne wadi a my economy ne nko so se wo support made in Ghana investment na wo ye abrochira ne ma no wo di be hye wo ankasa wo man ne ne ma enti obia obe support made in Ghana wa wo support wa wo create nyuma e wa ha wa investment sika a wo de koto obi de no wo de to de a adwuma na be koso wo wa wo man enti no de e ya de a yenye mandate na ya de ka ho
Monsha Ghana suit, Monsha Ghana wig and BPA. Moreni nyina Monsha Ghana de Ghana ye binti ne ye ne say betimi aboy way. Chief Executive Officer de Ghana Trade Fair Dr. Agnes K Edu. Na nsem no de tuja wa bra Ghana Trade Fair. One grand sense dwumedie no na ekoso e wo Kumasi Ratri Park ho. Na enu mu e na won na wode wo ho echi dwumedie no no wonom so esensem say e de treye.
As much as say say social media and the world is big, like master press and Obia or Pine or Faswa or so in things like this, every crowd will be all to Kumasi, but we knew it's possible. So we joined Senebeya, Ubika only about us, about us, and then we are looking at the long-term thing on town. JD products, or express, they say,
industrial arts. Industrial arts are your aspects of fashion, textiles. There were metals, jewelry. Fashion, it has been a passion.
Ebusia yankwa jisu kroponi mu oda ho ene yakwa kodro school panyin ya wono ewo ajesu oda ho eme basic school no eye odimonyafo osei Owusu Godwin wode abasobode ede ama oda ho hene ya wono so kyerese nana edubobie se waye ade pa ba ho masua won potem ho a ene won toto na jeje mu wose amu ahodo ya kyerese wode bua wonom no enya asem ketwa ne nsem nyina woda na di wabra nana edubobie opeja eye nkonwa ahodo ye asuafo tena so ede sua de bese de wo ho ede commerce ku ye nam so nti no teacher panyin ya wono so ewo ho ye Owusu Godwin wada asansem we se di ede kire ye
this no I say we yankunya da boya ma CLN etinya koso nti as head of the school kuhu oda ho na me bona mane Friday chemi ai na me bona mane in fact o shema anu pase me man mreka kwedi in fact ni aka se me sister nansa asa kubona mane Friday me to adam friend say membra na kunyana e ready tukwe no so no kwasiri amanu dream kaka kunyana na de boa mai na boa yi
Ebusia church for penny ya wono ajoso oda ho eme basic school yewura osei Owusu Godwin etie no na nsem we se nyina no wato mane yankasa ya mane bofo dia sempa kofi boadi na wode ebre ye ne de no achi no na nana edubobie wa hebopra ya wote adwaso ewo ajoso oda ho wono so eda nanum nsem di ede kireye
Johanna eti jana baba ka chen most of the school class were in the of my registration 51. You know, into the Somi and Sammy, and second pass you know, I will never think of my country to be on fire, could maybe ready at the country, or catch them in one of the smart and Palamina, Cocoton community. Yeah, with the brand, but for the coach in my
Mama tension no from kakra na so no nwie sa konwa so mu hia no doso the premier no mu hia bi mo sa kan bi
Abusia ye kwaya nim na ye rem wo Amansia South Bensimo na eno so wasante mantema senom adehye ye woho ya wo he popular ya wotua wo ma no so edimu bie wanom de adesrede de ato aban anim se enema ahodo ye ma setenemu ye de ye nika no wode wani kiremu wa Amansia ho abo mo te se de adwonso abo akokɔ eno nti aban no adaroma wonhwe na bi te se chip compound na se enyina ma enkanea telecommunication network enyina kram no wo se bi eni ho wa kwan so krampo de atete apro apansamte no empanyefo me ya dom se be ya obetimi ama wonsa ka bi ama asetenemu ayede wada sansem wenyina de treye wa bra na teachers bangro bia wasi ewo mpotam ho no na empanyefo twa ahomam ebia no
asetan network no sem na ma ha adwuma ye na ya asetan na ye din pa asem bi si kuro yi mu kura se be ya empanyefo aso betini nyina gise yesa boka efa motor na ase ka tie challenge pass si e we electoral area ha bo abusu electoral area pa de e network ya de ha ya ha pa ebe dan chia ye kwan no ya kwan sem na ye chip compound wa ha so nkruto 7 chip compound ba ko pe na 7 nkruto ni nyina tie besere na mbekira na adagya abai na manu ya se ne ho beso ye besere adesere de mo meye ba ko me ya nyambekira na asa adagya
Abusia eno echi no edwon monya for lawyer Clement Opoku Jemfi wono ene aban krachi panyin ya wotu Amansia South ho wono so SCC edekire achechirefo no
aban esi dan fefese ya da na bebia no na efe mabosome ni na echi bo se dan no baba na dan na sei maintenance culture ase emfa obia ho ni obia dia e ya aban dia district director of education asemi dia wona me kama is a dino wo anam de show nsa na dia mo teacher for ti say ye ba na dino penti e hu say rere na say penti ayefia wo ne ba be so mu teacher for e betra dino ye besere mu e mama adwene nyamo se bi so nyamo mo dan fi se obi ade odi jaw na wo hwe suye na wo ye ni ya e be ye wo dia dan ye dia ma wo se tinamu edi ujuma no
Abusia na chese ye di si ase no ne ya dayero asante ye boa Benedict ase wono ne esemu